Today we are yet again here to give you the daily brief as we had promised. We had the postmortem process continuing seamlessly. It was going along concurrently with the process of taking DNA from the relatives of the missing persons. So from the other side, there were a total of 22 families who had turned up for the purpose of their DNA being taken. And all of them had their DNA taken, so that now when you finish postmortem, they will be able to compare the DNA from the deceased and from the relatives. As for the postmortem process, we were able to do a total of 36 postmortems. Of these, 16 were children, 19 were adults. One, we were unable to ascertain whether it's adult or a child, so it was in between. The number of males were 17 and females were 19. Many of them were severely decomposed, being that 23 of them were severely decomposed. 11 were just moderately decomposed, but 2 were mild, meaning that they were not badly decomposed. The cause of death from all of these, majority we found that they died because of features of starvation, which were 23 of them. 4 of them we found that they had asphyxia. And remember, I told you asphyxia is someone who was denied oxygen prior to death. 7 of them we were unable to ascertain why they died because of the level of decomposition. Then we found a child who had head injury. We also found an adult who had a disease, coronary disease, because we found that she had a kidney and a heart disease. So that is all. They were actually children, because we found one who had obvious features of being compression of the neck. Actually, 3 were children, 1 was an adult. Yes. It's very difficult to say when they were buried, but when you look at the level of decomposition, there were difference in level of decomposition. And I've said that 23 were severely decomposed, meaning that these ones were buried earlier. 11 were moderately decomposed, so they were buried later. Then the ones who were mildly decomposed were also even buried even later. Yes. So they were being buried at different stages. Yeah. Okay. All of them had all their internal organs intact. I didn't see any person who had a missing internal organ. Yes. Being that it's something which is under investigation because of justice, I don't think any relative will be told to meet any cost. Yes.